Samsung Galaxy J3 2017, and let me show you how to enable the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use the upper bar twice, and here you can find the power saving. So just by clicking the power saving and by tapping apply, you can start using the power saving mode. As you can see, the device is decreasing the brightness, limits some background activity, and this is the icon of this mode. So now you can use it, or you can simply disable the power saving also by tapping this icon, and that's it. You may also find the battery saver by using the settings, by tapping device maintenance, and here by choosing the battery. As you can see, you can use the medium power saving mode, or you can use the maximum. Let me tap the maximum power saving mode, tap apply. This is the most restrictful one. As you can see, you will be able to use only the black colors. You will apply the dark theme. You will be limited to use only a few apps. Let me just show you how it looks like. Alright, this is the maximum power saving mode, you can use it, or you may also really quickly quit this mode by using more key and by tapping turn off maximum power saving mode. Alright, that's it, the maximum power saving mode is disabled, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.